Oh, great. That went right across her face.
Open.
Pull it out.
Mickey.
Mickey.
Ooh, this end, Nova. Down here.
There's a big blur. We might be here all day. Good job.
It's coming out the other end, Nova. What pretty colors.
Pink.
Pink.
Pull it up, Nova. Look at it.
I'm so
I'm
pink.
going to see what else is in there.
Me.
Oh, a Princess Minnie.
Oh, how nice. So pretty.
Is she pretty, Nova?
More party. And more party. Oh, cat. The cat.
A car.
And then it will help you get it started open.
Then it open. I open. The cat.
No. Ooh, it's like a little drink.
Isn't that cute?
Don't pull on it. Open it, Nova.
Happy birthday, Nova.
Wow.
Honey. Honey.
Here, look. Look, open this one. What is this?
Oh, Nova.
What is that?
Oh.
No, it hangs on your wall.
It matches your
It
room.
matches everything in your room, and it's a frog, a girl frog.
Eating ice cream.
Wow. Nana will get a hook for it today, okay? And you can hang it in your room. Erin should be a artist for children's books.
We're chomping at the bit to get the next one. Set it up, because you know she's going to clank those two.
In her little tutu.
Oh, Nova.
What is that?
Wow.
It goes on the wall too.
What's on it?
Oh.
What's that say?
Ooh.
No.
That's really good.
I know.
Open.
Ooh, ooh.
Let me see. Nova, where's your name? Nova, hold up the pretty dress. Do you want to put it on?
No.
Who's on that dress?
Go.
Look right there.
See the Mickey ears? I love those colors. Nova, can you say thank you?
No putties.
Nova, look at me.
Look at mommy
Putties.
and say, thank you.
Nova, can you say thank you? And then, or shred that. Hey.
Why?
That's cute. Nova, can you say bye?
Say bye-bye to the camera.
What else is down in there?
Nothing.
Get the rest of the paper out. She'll leave it alone.
Okay, all done. Wow.
Nova, say bye.
Say bye-bye.